Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make connection with ESP32 via the phone. So first of all, this is not a project video. This video is more about those who are just getting started to IoT, building IoT projects. So I'm gonna quickly just show you how to send commands from your phone to ESP32. That's why we're gonna use LEDs to make it look simple. But on incoming videos, right now I'm working on a smart home automation system. So it includes a reliable home security system, a lighting system, and a couple other things related to this topic. So subscribe if you want to get notified when I publish them. And let's get started. Before getting started, guys, I'm sorry for the noise that comes from 3D printer, but this is actually my next video. It's about a fiber optic lamp. So I'll try to remove the noise on the edit, but anyways, I apologize for that. Let's go. So to establish the connection between our phone and ESP32, we're gonna use Blynk IoT app. So open your browser and write Blynk IO and just sign up, but I got an account already. So Blynk IoT is an app that I've been using since a while. I actually got another video where I made a plant watering system, and I used Blynk IoT to make the connection between the phone and ESP32. So I just logged in, and here you can see my previous projects. So first of all, go to developer zone and create a new template. Let's call it ESP32 test. Hardware ESP32, connection type Wi-Fi, and done. So here on the right section, you can see our firmware configurations. So we got the template ID and template name, which we'll use in the code. Go to web dashboard and drag a switch to the main screen and save it. So as you can see, now we have a switch on the center of our screen. Now go to data streams, create a new data stream, and here choose a digital pin. So LED pin, or wait, we actually use digital pin data stream on Arduino, so let's cancel this and create a virtual pin. A LED pin V0, units none. Make sure the minimum is 0 and maximum is 1, because it's a digital signal, you know, it's either 0 or 1, and create. Save, and then go again to the web dashboard and edit. Go to the settings of the switch and choose data stream LED pin. Save. Now the last thing we're gonna do is create a new device. So this device section is actually an interface where you can control your devices. So create new device from template, which template ESP32 test, and create. So first of all, quickly copy this to clipboard, and now open the Arduino IDE. So this is our code, and just paste here the credentials we just copied on the Blynk app. But as you can see, what happens right now, it didn't copy the Blynk template ID. So we have the auth token and template name, but not the ID. So we need to copy that as well. Go to developer zone, my templates, and ESP32 test. And as you can see from here, we got the firmware information. So here is our ID, and just paste here. Then write your Wi-Fi name here, but take care to write the name as same as it's shown on the settings of your PC or phone, and your password here. So after doing this, we are done. But before continuing, if you're a beginner and never worked with ESP32, don't forget that you should download the ESP32 board from Boards Manager and copy paste this link from the Espressif's official site. And also you have to download this library, Blynk, yeah, this one, by Volodymyr Szymanski. Download this and it's gonna be automatically included on your code. So we're gonna need the ESP32, a breadboard, a LED, and 2 jumper wires, male, female. Place the LED on the breadboard and find GPIO2 on ESP32. Where is it? Yeah. So GPIO2, and the other wire goes to the ground, which is here. Connect the pin to long leg of the LED and the ground to the short one. And that's it. We're done with the hardware. Now let's just connect the ESP with micro USB cable and test it. So find your board from tools. Here select ESP32 dev module and select your port. I don't remember which one was mine, so go to the device manager. And from here you can see ports, and yeah, as you can see, it's COM13. So my ESP32 is on COM13, which I just selected, and send. While sending, for those who just started ESP32, there's a boot button here. So there are 2 buttons here. One of them is reset and the other one is boot. We have to press and hold boot while the code is uploading. So as you can see, guys, when connecting appears, you just have to press to this button here. And as you can see, the compiler started to upload my code. Now let's get back to the Blynk app. So now as you can see, guys, here beneath status, you can see it says online. So my ESP32 is powered and it means everything is working properly. I mean, at least the Blynk IoT side. Because I'm using my phone to record, I'm gonna use my computer to turn on and off the LED. But you can install the Blynk app from App Store, or if you're using Android, from Play Store, and just do the same things as I did here. But I recommend you do all of these on a laptop, then just control your device from your phone. Click on ESP32 test. Now click LED pin on, and yeah. Yep, there you go. So everything's working properly. So basically that's how you can control your ESP32 with your phone, guys. If you want to see more projects with ESP32 and more about a smart home automation system, subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, drop down in the comments. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.